Dear students, now we'll discuss about the state space modeling of an isolated system. Here already we have seen the derivations with respect to the governors, the turbines and the generator plus load. Derivation means the modeling of that governor, turbine and the generator plus loads in the previous videos. So here what we need to do is we need to derive a state space model of an isolated system. Here in the state space model of an isolated system, what happens is you need to take the combination of the isolated system with AGC. So this will be your block diagram. So first we are taking the equation for the governor, that is 1 divided by 1 plus STG. Then whatever the delta PV of S output you are getting, that will be fed to the turbine. So the turbine equation will be 1 divided by 1 plus S of TTR. So whatever the mechanical power output you are getting from the turbine, that will be summed up with the delta PL of S and it will be given to the generator plus load. So generator plus load equation will be 1 divided by 2HS plus D. So as a feedback system, to increase the frequency control over the system, so what we are having the integrator. So integrator equation can be given as minus of K1 divided by S. And as a feedback system, one more thing, we are taking the droop characteristics of that system, 1 divided by R. So here to derive the state space model of the system, we need to take the S domain equations. So S domain equations, they are there here. 1 divided by 2HS plus D of delta PM of S minus delta PL of S equal to delta omega S. So after taking this equation, what we need to do is whatever the denominator you are having, you have to multiply it on the RHS term. So that is delta omega S of 2HS plus D. So this will be multiplied with this. So delta omega S of 2HS plus D is equal to this term, it will remain as it is, delta PM of S minus delta PL of S. So this will be your S domain equation. So S domain equation we need to get means, then what we need to do, you need to multiply S and you need to divide with a 1 divided by 2H term for the equation. So S of delta omega S is equal to this equation, what it will become, minus of D divided by 2 of delta omega S, this and this combined together, then plus 1 divided by 2H of delta PM of S, then delta PL of S, it will be multiplied by minus of 1 divided by 2H. So this will be the equation number 1. Then next what we need to do, we need to take the equation for the turbine. So equation for the turbine means what is the input here? Input is delta PV of S, so take it as delta PV of S into the bracket. The equation for the turbine is 1 divided by 1 plus S TTR. That will be equal to, what is the output? Delta PM of S. So take the output as delta PM of S. So this will be the equation for the turbine. Same thing you have to do, what you have to do is multiply this 1 divided by S of TTR with delta PM of S. So the equation will become 1 plus S TTR into delta PM of S is equal to delta PV of S. Then next, in all the equations, what we need to do at last, you need to multiply it with S and divide it by the constant. So S of delta PM of S is equal to minus of 1 divided by TTR of delta PM of S plus 1 divided by TTR of delta PV of S. So if you are dividing all the terms by 1 divided by TTR, then you will get the equation for the turbines. Next comes the equation for the governors. So equation for the governor is delta P reference of S minus 1 divided by R of delta omega S into the bracket, you have to multiply the 1 divided by 1 plus STG term. That will be equal to delta PV of S. So same thing again, 1 plus STG, you multiply it with delta PV of S. Whatever the denominator terms you are having, you should multiply it at the RHS side. So delta PV of S of 1 plus STG is equal to this equation completely, it will remain as it is, delta P reference of S minus 1 divided by R of delta omega S. So for this equation again multiply by the S domain equation. S of delta PV of S is equal to, here TG is the term, so take it as minus of 1 divided by TG of delta PS plus 1 divided by Tg of delta P reference minus of 1 divided by RTg of delta omega S. For turbine, you are making it as 1 divided by TTR, and for the governor, you are taking it as 1 divided by Tg. Similarly, for the stabilization of the frequency, we are using the integrator as a feedback loop. So for that, equation is delta P reference of X is equal to whatever the constant you are having minus of K1 divided by S, you take it and multiply it with the output delta omega S. Then multiply it with the S domain equation. S of delta P reference of S is equal to minus of K1 of delta omega S. So all the block diagrams, whatever we have taken as a components, all the equations are here. Next, what we need to do, we need to define a state vector in a time domain. So state vector in a time domain, we can define it as X is equal to delta omega, delta Pm, delta Pv and delta P reference. All the 4 parameters you have to take. And after that, what we need to do is the external input as a delta PL we have to take, and the state equation can be transformed into a time domain and it can be written in a matrix form like this. Okay, so here delta omega, delta Pm, delta Pv and delta P reference are taken at one point, and with respect to this, in the previous equations, whatever the value you are having, you have to write. So here delta omega, first you need to see the equation number 1 what we have derived. See here the equation number 1, we are associated with the delta omega term, then delta Pm term and delta PL term. Okay, so delta omega, it is associated with minus d divided by 2h. So delta omega term, here you need to write it as minus of d divided by 2h. Next one is 1 divided by 2h. So here 1 divided by 2h is associated with delta Pm of S. So you have to write it as 1 divided by 2h. And it is not associated with any PV and P reference value. So it will be 0 and 0. So in the next term Pm, it is the next turbine modeling, it is only associated with the Pm term and PV term, and other will be 0. In the next governor, we are associated with delta omega, then PV and P reference. So you have to write all this. Integrator is only associated with the term delta omega, so remaining all will be 0. And in the first term we are having delta PL, so write it as 1 divided by 2h. So the standard form of the state space model is given as x of t is equal to a into x of t plus bu of t, and y of t is equal to c into x of t plus du of t, where x of t is the state vector, u of t is the input vector and y of t is the output vector. This is